How to set up ProtonMail account. Open your browser and go to the ProtonMail website, then click on the Sign Up button. Choose the plan you want, either the free option or a paid plan for more storage and features, then click Select. Next, you'll be asked to create a username, which becomes your ProtonMail email address and set a strong password. You can also add a recovery email in case you ever forget your login details. After that, follow the verification steps, which may include solving a CAPTCHA or confirming with an email or text code. Once verified, your account will be created and you can log in to start sending and receiving secure emails. ProtonMail automatically encrypts your messages for extra privacy, and you can customize your inbox settings once inside. Finally, consider exploring features like folders, labels, and filters to organize your emails and make the most out of your new account. And that's basically how to set up your ProtonMail account. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.